Alright, one thing that I didn't show before was hooking up the water, and you can see that the pot is boiling now. I've hooked up water to the condenser. Water always goes in at the bottom of the condenser, and then there's an outlet in the top. Water comes out at the top of the condenser. So you can see that the mixture is boiling now. The temperature should start rising here pretty soon. It's not risen yet. It's just now at 25 degrees Celsius right now. But when that vapor gets to the distilling head, when the vapor hits the distilling head, the temperature will start going up. Let's pan out a little bit so you can see maybe a little bit higher, and then I'll zoom back in so you can see the whole thing. There. Yeah, so the vapor will come up to the distilling head, hit the thermometer, go through the condenser, and then you'll see the temperature start to go up. And I'm going to come back in so you can see the drops as they start to fall, and I'll just call out the temperature so you can tell what the temperature is as the condensate starts to get deposited in the condenser. All right, so the temperature, it's starting to go up some. In a moment, it'll start to go up much faster. It's just now 27 degrees. But you can see that the mixture is boiling pretty good. So as it continues to boil, then the vapor will hurry up. Oh yeah, 30 degrees now. So the temperature has started to come on and rise pretty nicely. And what we're looking for is the first drop of condensate. We're looking for the first drop of condensate. The boiling temperature for cyclohexane is around 80 degrees Celsius. And so once the temperature gets close to 80 degrees Celsius, that's when we'll start to look for condensate. I can start to see that vapor start to drip off the thermometer bulb, and the temperature is going up rapidly now. So the temperature is at 60 degrees. Let's see if I can show you that. 60 degrees on the thermometer. We're looking for the first drop. That's almost 75 degrees. Okay, we're going to go back now. There. Okay, look for the first drop. I don't see the first drop yet, but in a moment it should be there. 78 degrees. Where's the first drop? We're looking for it to drop into the graduated cylinder. 80 degrees. Still no condensate. Oh, I see a drop dripping down in the condenser. Can you see it? The drop dripping down in the condenser. Here it goes, here it goes. It's almost to the end, and it's going to drip down. It's right now 80.5 degrees. Did it drip? But we should see here, okay, here it goes. It's almost dripping down. It's 81 degrees. And so the pot's boiling at a nice clip. Remember to record the temperature of the first drop, 81 degrees. Drip into the graduated cylinder. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. So now the temperature is 82 degrees. And hopefully we'll get some nice condensation in the condenser. We're going to record the temperature every 5 degrees. And so we want about 1 to 2 drops per second going into the condenser. Drip, drip. Okay, so you can see the condensation is now dripping into the graduated cylinder. The temperature now is it's at 82.5 degrees. All right, so it's continuing to drip. The line just above the blue holder for the graduated cylinder, that line is the 5 milliliter mark. And so when we've collected 5 milliliters, make sure at that time you record the temperature. So the temperature right now is 83 degrees, and we have not yet gotten to 5 milliliters yet. But it's dripping at a good pace. 1 to 2 drops per second is what we're looking for. And you can see there's still almost all of the mixture in the pot. And the goal here, because we're doing a distillation, is to take all of the mixture from the pot to the graduated cylinder and record the temperature at 5 milliliter increments to collect our data. We've not gotten yet 5 milliliters. It's still 83 degrees Celsius. Oh, 5 milliliters now, and the temperature is 84 degrees Celsius. Remember, you're recording the temperature every 5 milliliters, and then we'll use that data to make a graph of the temperature versus the volume of distillate. Still 84 degrees Celsius. And we've collected about 8 milliliters so far. Okay, 10 milliliters, and the temperature is 85 degrees Celsius. We're at 14 milliliters now, so at 15 milliliters, again, we'll need to record the temperature. Okay, 15 milliliters, and the temperature is 86 degrees Celsius. All right, at 20 milliliters, we'll record the temperature again. In order to help hold some of the heat in, I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. That will help expedite things. Almost to 20 milliliters, and the temperature is 89 degrees Celsius. That's a little too fast. I think that foil is helping too much there. Yep, so 20 milliliters was 89 degrees Celsius. So we'll record the temperature again at 25 milliliters, almost there. 25 milliliters now, and the temperature is 91.5 degrees Celsius.